Oh my gosh, you guys, the second you walk in, the smell of the wood and it just takes you in. So I think here's the kitchen. It's a 3 bedrooms. Is that right? It's a 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom, 2 bath.
2 bath.
Lofted cabin.
Lofted cabin.
Yep.
Here's the kitchen, nice and spacious. You get your stove. Lots of cabinetry for everything you want to store here.
And are all the appliances included?
And yeah, I think all the appliances are
All the
included.
appliances are included. As you can see, we got the stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher.
And here's your fridge right here, and I'm sure you can get a taller one.
Yes,
You just have a
yes.
model here, right?
Right, that's just a mini fridge we have as a model. But when you order your cabin, you will get a regulation size refrigerator.
Yeah, and look at this beautiful window. If you just imagine this window at your lot, looking out with wherever this cabin is gonna go. It's gorgeous. I love this window. Lots of light, natural light in the kitchen. And we have a little pantry here. Can you get over here, Ozzy, so you can show
Yes.
the pantry? I would put shelves in here, whatever. It's like tons of storage here. You can even put a little cabinet here with, I'm thinking like maybe like a cabinet, and with the top, you can, if you have like anything you want to store, I don't know.
Yeah.
People have all kinds of appliances in the kitchen they want to store.
Absolutely.
And we
Absolutely.
have a bathroom over here. I love this bathroom. It's really nice and spacious. It's big, beautiful mirror over here, and of course your linen closet over here again. You're gonna have to do your own shelving, or I don't know, maybe we can add it too, right?
Yeah, yeah, if that's what they
These
want.
cabins are built to order.
Yep.
So we can customize it to fit your needs.
Yep.
And over here we could have our washer and dryer. These are the hookup. It comes like this. Washer and dryers are never included because everybody has their own favorite brands, as
Yep.
I hear from Josie.
Yep. What's behind this door here, Nadia?
And, is this your utility, right?
Yep. There's your
And
water heater.
water heater.
Yep.
And again, storage if you want to store your.
And remember too, guys, if you don't want a 40-gallon water heater like this, we can also do a on-demand tankless water heater as well. So just keep that in mind. You do have the option to rotate between an on-demand water heater and a tankless water heater. Okay, what else you got for us,
I
Nadia?
forgot to show this over here. I think this is really cool.
Oh, the pocket door. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So we got a pocket door here for privacy. And voila, there's your pocket door, and that's what it looks like when it's closed.
And let's show this cabinet still.
Yep. Your soft close.
Soft close.
Yep, soft close.
Yep.
Beautiful knotty pine kitchen cabinets. Okay.
Yes. And over here is going to be your living room area.
Mhm.
You have another door that goes outside. And guys, if you want to have a porch on the other side, that option is available too. We can do that. We can add that, of course. And you know, I would call this like I would like to put my couch maybe this way. I mean, you can design it however you want, but like this wall, I think is perfect for TV, entertaining, and whatever, you know. And
Absolutely. And on that note, you'll notice, guys, what we did here, and what Nadia was just pointing out, that white wall there is actually made of birch plywood, not sheetrock. So it's solid wood. That way, when we transport it, it doesn't crack during transportation. And we did that wall as well as the back kitchen splash wall over here in the birch plywood in white, just to show y'all that if you don't want all that pine, we can break it up for you a little bit. You're not stuck to getting the knotty pine look. We can do all white walls, we can do all pine, or in this case, we can do a combination of both, okay?
And again, you got your windows in the living room, one over on this side and another one on that side.
Yep, lots of natural light. Yep, coming in.
Yeah, and this is your master bedroom, nice and cozy. Another window up there, and we have another bathroom over here, which I think this is so cool.
Yep.
Like if you have guests over, or if you're a small family, you have your own privacy, and you know, you have your own bathroom, and these, the shower, and another window.
Yeah, scoot on back there in the shower so folks can see the size of that.
Oh,
It's a really good size. See, there you go. And remember too, guys, this one is a one of those walk-in showers for safety purposes. It's got the little stool there. So ladies, if you want to sit down, shave your legs without falling.
Oh yeah.
And you know, if you're older and you want to sit down, wash your toes without risking falling, getting in and out, very simple. But if you're a lady that's die hard about getting a tub, just keep in mind, we can do that as well. So again, we go through this stage called the Burger King stage during the design phase, where you get to design the cabin the way you want it. And if you want a tub, just let us know. We can accommodate that. But if you like this walk-in concept with a little seat in it for safety, we can do that as well.
Very cool, very cool. And of course, I love all of this extra storage.
Lots of storage there in the bathroom.
Lots of storage in the bathroom. I mean, my gosh, all of your makeup, your towels, whatever. It's perfect.
Yep. There you go, guys. We're trying to make sure you guys get the whole vibe. Now, this bed here, just to give you reference with Nadia standing by it, this is a queen size bed. But we can easily accommodate a king size bed by maybe moving this wall out a little bit. As you can see, there is room to do it. You just got to let us know again how you want us to design it. There you can see we can put that electrical panel. I know that's not the most attractive thing there, but we can go ahead and put it somewhere else if you want us to whenever you have your cabin design. As you can see, that is a full 200 amp electric panel. You got your tongue and groove walls here, tongue and groove pine. Behind that, you have your 2x6s with your R factor insulation. We can do fiberglass or spray foam, and then you got your D-log siding on the outside of the cabin. Okay.
Don't forget the little storage here.
Oh yes, under the stairs. Yeah, under the stairs. We got some cleaning stuff under there, but that's a little nook there for storage underneath the stairs. The Amish are all about no space goes to waste, right?
Absolutely.
And you see the beautiful.
I love the railings.
Yep, beautiful rustic knotty pine rails. You can see the character in them, right? So she's on her way up right now to the second floor of the Big Bertha 3.0.
And another bedroom. Oh my gosh, my son would love this space up here. How cute is this for, you know, for a little kid or, you know, even a teenager? I mean,
absolutely,
really
absolutely.
Nice,
I call this the A-frame bedroom because it looks like a little A-frame.
Yep.
And when you
walk all the way back there without like or anything, another window.
Absolutely.
And
so
your dormer.
You have your front dormer here. That you can stand in front of that and show them there. So there's your
wow, beautiful.
And Nadia's about 5'3", 5'4". Okay, so she's about 5'3", 5'4", guys. So as she's walking through this, keep that in mind. She's about 5'4". Okay, so keep that in mind just to give you guys a height reference. Okay.
Yep. And for what I heard, we can wall this up too. Is that what I heard?
Correct. So we can also wall this other side up for privacy. If you want to privatize that bedroom, we can totally wall that up, or we can leave it open. What a lot of people will do is they'll wall it off right here on this side of the dormer. That way you still have a little play area between both the bedrooms to hang out in. But another dormer here for more natural light.
Yep. It really does make a great looking office. It also like could be a really great, like if you have a toddler, whatever, big space for like a, you know, playroom.
Absolutely.
It's gorgeous.
All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is definitely one I'd consider rustic. And again, you walk in, tell me this wouldn't make a perfect hunting cabin, right? Put one of these out in the woods, have you a nice little hunting cabin. Got a spot, like I said, here for your kitchenette. Comes just like you see it. And again, you got that sleeping loft up there as well. Crawl up there. Or you can use it for storage and set your bedroom downstairs if you're not wanting to climb up ladders. Like, that's what I would do. Put me a bedroom down here, use that for storage or guests, and then have this as an open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area. You know, put you a couch over here. Actually, how would I probably do this? Yeah, I'd probably I'd probably put my bed over here, couch and TV and all that over this way, and have this as kind of like my open concept living room, dining room area. And then that for guests or extra storage. And again, when you're done with the ladder, it just folds up and goes on this little lip right here. Let me see if I can do it with one arm here. Let's see. It's hard to do with one arm because I'm holding the phone. There you go. And just like that, it goes up there so it's out of your way during the day. So you can kind of do your thing. And that ladder now be right there in the middle of the room. Tell you, man, the Amish, they thought of everything. I'm telling you, they thought of everything. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish, we ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. Let's get you a cabin out on that land. Again, we ship them nationwide. We're located in Indiana, 677 South Cardinal Lane. But again, we ship them nationwide. We've set these in California, we've set them in Michigan, we've set them in Florida, we've set them in North Carolina. We've set them everywhere. Make sure you call your local county code enforcement. Make sure they, to see what they allow and what they don't allow. Remember, we can do modern, built to code. We can do rustic like this and everything in between. Look at that. Look at them floors, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm gonna end the show with taking y'all outside one more time and showing you what the outside of this looks like. Let me go ahead and take this down one more time here. See if I can do it with one arm. There you go. Because I know the first thing people are gonna do when they come to this cabin is take that ladder down so they can go up in that loft, especially the kids. So I'm gonna set it up for them so they don't gotta do all that. That way they can go right up and check out the loft. Again, guys, give us a call, 812-595-4033. This is the one, again, we call the Carrot Top Junior. It's only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Wouldn't this make a beautiful cabin out on your land? Put it by your lake. All of that good stuff. One more shot here at the outside for you. Beautiful. Beautiful day too in Indiana, by the way. The calm before the storm. Winter's coming, but it ain't here yet. So we're gonna enjoy it. Take it all in before the winter hits us and blasts us. We're gonna take it all in. Absolutely lovely, guys. Beautiful. Built by the Amish, we ship them nationwide. Again, 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. Give us a call. Let's get you a cabin on your land. Ask for me, OC, aka the Cabin Cowboy. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And do me a favor too, if you would. Comment below. Let me know what you think of this bad boy. We love the comment section because, guys, that's how we get better. We need the feedback. So comment below. Let me know if you're a Gen X or baby boomer or a millennial. Comment below. Shout out to everybody. Much love. Much blessings to you and yours. Thanks for watching my channel. Y'all have a blessed day. Come back any day now. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for watching.